I'm so excited. It just still feels very lightweight. I feel like that's a main reason why it grows. Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is the start of a new week and I have just been actually listening to something on my phone. Hold on one second. I just got up and yeah, I did my makeup. I always like to do that. Even if you're not going anywhere that you know of. Just as this a little tip to put yourself together so you can feel your best. And I always feel better when I just put on a little bit of makeup, nice clothes, and just, you know, go from there. But today I wanted to wear like a lip combo that was pink. So I'm using this, let me show you. This is the Morphe Soulmate Other Half. And it's like a burgundy color. Let me see. I had got this one day because I thought it was a dark brown by accident. But it ended up working good whenever I want just like a pinkish combo. I go between wanting like a brown combo, but I get tired of that sometimes and I just want a little bit of color. So putting the same lipstick for like a neutral color, any neutral color you can put in the middle. Then my Sigma Renew Oil in the color Tint. And yeah, I like that lip combo. It's like pink. I go between the brown and this one. I also love the way my makeup came out. I want to show you guys what I used today. Alright, I gathered most of the things. I don't have everything to show you, but I bought the main things that I liked. I didn't use any foundation, and I've been loving that liquid foundation. I used this Sephora Micro Smooth powder, this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the color 25. It's so pretty. I did mix my Huda Beauty cinnamon bun in with that powder to make it a little bit more blurring because that's a little bit more powdery. But then I went over top of my under eyes with this Fit Me MAC 330 is the shade that I use just to brighten a little bit. I'm going out of order, but I did use my NARS Laguna 04 bronzer. This is what that shade looks like. It's beautiful. My tried and true bronzer. At this point, I've had it so long, I just need to get a new one because it's just been too long. It lasted forever. That is the best $20 you will ever spend. It will last you forever. And then the other things I used are my e.l.f. concealers. I love both of these. I really think I found a lot of products that I like and really just work. I want to try a new concealer though, a more neutral color, because this one is kind of orangey a little bit to me, and I'm moving towards more neutral shades, so I want to get a more neutral color concealer. I feel like I'm just waking up, y'all. I am just waking up, so I'm like, ooh, trying to get myself together. But yes, the hair is still doing good. This is day what? When did I do my hair? I feel like, I don't know, it wasn't long ago, a few days ago, but I feel like whenever I don't put my hands in it a lot, it doesn't get really greasy, and it just still feels very lightweight. And yeah, so guys, if you watch these vlogs, you see that during the day, I don't really do a lot to my hair, and I feel like that's a main reason why it grows. I don't do styles. The most I've done is like cut bangs, and that's it, because that's what I do. And then I just wash it every 2 weeks. Sometimes I'll curl it, sometimes I won't. So I don't know what I'm doing today. I do want to get out of the house and go somewhere just to get some fresh air. Also, it's supposed to snow this week, so I want to get out before I'm snowed in. Hopefully it's not that bad. I hope there's no ice, but we shall see. Thank you for being here and hanging with me. Talk to you in a minute. You guys, I just spent forever trying to figure out how to curl my bangs, but I finally got them the way I wanted them to be. I've been hooked on these lemon cream cookies, crackers. I keep telling myself they're crackers, even though I know good and well they're cookies. But I'm getting ready to exercise, because if I can eat a pack of these, I can exercise. So hey guys, it's a new day and I'm so excited. So my husband was like, you got a package? And I'm like, what is this? I didn't know what it was. And I felt the box. I said, this feels like a 7 Virtues box. Look what came. This excites me because today I was doing spring cleaning. I was bringing out all of the spring florals and redecorating and taking the winter stuff out. So this package came right on time and the sun was out. So I was like, yay, spring. And this is what the inside of the package looks like. It comes with a passport too. And then here's the box. Isn't this packaging so cute? And this is what the ticket looks like an airline ticket. Okay, I want to take this passport out. I love how creative this packaging is. It says layering combos, clementine dream plus vanilla woods. Ooh, yes, you all know I love vanilla woods. A sweet sunlit treat-like dessert under a summer sky. Or you can do the clementine dream plus the coconut sun. Double the sunshine for an endless vacation vibe. Clementine dream plus amber vanilla, which you guys know is my favorite right now. I have it here. It's almost empty. I got the travel size. And it's almost empty, y'all. If you don't have the amber vanilla, you need to get it. That and the vanilla woods is so good. But this is so cute. They have it here where you can write down all of these things in this little booklet that looks like a passport. And now, friend, it's time to open this up and smell it. I had to wait for you. I was like, I have to wait and do this on the vlog. It says Days for Girls. This perfume funds Days for Girls. Okay, here is the box. The 7 Virtues Clementine Dream Peace Perfume. It says best for improving focus, energy, and inspiring creativity. Top note, fruity cassis, heart note magnolia, and base note vanilla. And when you look at the packaging, it's so good. Like, I love when companies take time, you know, just for the box and the presentation, because it makes me believe that they really took time for the actual product. Here is the perfume. I love their bottles. So classy and modern and simplistic. Let's give her a spray. That smells so good. Yes. If you like orange, you're gonna like this because you definitely smell the citrus, luxury, elevated, rich, and that's what makes them so good. I love the smell of vanilla, so it's not just like orange. It smells like something I remember, like a orange cream soda. It's very sweet, very, very sweet, fruity, but then it has that vanilla richness to it. I'm gonna spray this on and ask my husband to come in here and see what he thinks about it. Daryl, what do you think about it?
It smells like the cherry but orange.
You think it smells? Oh, it smells like the Cherry Ambition.
Yeah, but it's with orange, with citrus.
Do you like that orange smell?
Yeah, I like that.
And he's right. It does remind me of this one. This is the Cherry Ambition. They know how to mix the fruit with the vanilla, and it just makes it so, so good. So I'm so excited for that. Yay, new perfume. So thank you so much, 7 Virtues, for sending this to me. It literally made my day. I was so excited. So happy. Thank you so much. Another one to add to the collection. So I hope you guys are doing great today. Sunshine. You want to smell it?
Yeah.
You just woke up. What do you think? Here.
It smells orangey.
It smells orangey.
And make sure to subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Oh, so sweet. It does smell orangey. Do you like it? Love you.
Help it to you. And make sure to subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Yes, please. Whew. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. Let me fix this a little bit better. So I just actually finished doing a short for that perfume. I like to do shorts, especially if I like the product, and if it's new, I like to go ahead and just put it out there. And so I just finished that short, And today's been a great day. I wanted to show you guys that these mighty patches, remember I was talking about them? These right here, they're actually really good. So it was my fault that they weren't working. I was putting them on after I did my skincare. And if you're using these, just a little tip, you want your face to be dry. And mine was like extremely moisturized. So you know how you want your pimple to dry out? Well, I wasn't allowing mine to do that. I was actually moisturizing it, which kept it for longer. So I used it last night and I put it here. I had one of those pimples that are like a cystic pimple where it's on the inside and it's just like deep under the skin. It happened right after I used those makeup wipes at the hotel, and I shouldn't have done it, but you live and you learn. So next time I'm going to pack my own skincare and use it. And I messed with it and I shouldn't have done that either. But then I put this on, and when I woke up this morning it was flat. You could tell that all of that gunk had been taken out of it. It says it gently absorbs pimple gunk and supports a healing environment, so zits look better by the AM. So easy, you can literally do it in your sleep. And that's what I did. It says here to cleanse and dry the area, and the area wasn't dry. That's why it kept peeling off. I knew they weren't sticking, it wasn't doing anything, but yeah. It says leave on for 6 to 8 hours. So highly recommend these mighty patches. And as always, I always tell you guys, they're non-toxic. I scanned them and they have a very good rating, which is why I picked them up in the first place. I've been washing clothes all day long. I think I'm just going to finish that. Kids have discovered how to make this balloon float in midair. So I just finished folding my towels, and I like folding them like the spa. It just does something. I just love this look. This one's a little bulky because it's a really thick towel, but I love white towels and I love just like a spa experience.